I'm CBS 46 meteorologist Fred Campagna. We are still in storm mode for this afternoon, although there have been some changes to the storm threat for us later on this afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has lowered the severe risk for a big chunk of our area. Along and south of the I-20 corridor was in a level 3 risk. Now you're in a level 2 risk. That level 2 risk, though, however, extends up into far northwest Georgia. It is a level 1 risk in northeast Georgia, and that is because it seems that the afternoon thunderstorm threat is diminishing some. It's not totally gone, and you still need to pay close attention to the forecast here and the radar as the day goes on. The tornado risk is now down to a 2% chance of a tornado within 25 miles of any point in the Atlanta metro area, but far northwest Georgia as well as well off to our south, you are in a 5% risk of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a point, and a 15% risk for most of our area of damaging straight line winds. And those are wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, so those would be some pretty significant storms if they develop. There's also a large hail risk that is about 15% in far west Georgia. As far as rain is concerned, probably not going to see enough today to lead to some flash flooding in North Georgia. We have a line of rain that's moving through this morning. That'll be out of the picture by late this morning. A break in the action this afternoon. We may see some more storms developing in the late afternoon and in the evening, and it's these storms that have the potential to produce some severe weather. So while the severe risk is not as high as it was earlier, it is still something that warrants your attention, and it still warrants us being in storm mode for today. Watching those storms flare up, they'll be isolated, and they may not quite get to supercell level, but it is something for us to monitor very closely. The front moves through around midnight. After that, drying out overnight. So today we have the rain coming through, gets through the Atlanta metro area by about 11 o'clock this morning, a break in the action, and then more storms may refire this afternoon. Tomorrow, increasing sunshine after a cloudy start, about 74 degrees. A passing shower or thunder shower possible on Saturday morning. No severe weather anticipated. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s Saturday afternoon. Cooler and quiet, pleasant weather actually for Sunday and Monday.